pocket, $20, maybe a 50 sometimes, right? And I would look around and I would just drop the money outside my car door. Just drop it on the floor. I go into the store, get groceries, smoothie, whatever. Your ego wants to be like, oh, I ain't doing that. I don't know who this is going to. Most people don't want to give to crackheads. Most people don't want to give to the homeless people in your city, right? Because, we all know, so to speak, exactly what they're going to do with that money. But guess what? That's your ego. That's your ego holding down. That's your ego being the anchor to your karmic succession. There we go. That's your ego being the anchor to your karmic succession. Listen, I have no fucking care in the world what you do with this money. My soul does not see, my soul does not see color, does not see creed, does not see none of that. I'm giving from my soul because I know how to feed my soul. Boom, there you go. What that does, that goes, those feelings, that deed, that act goes into the universe. Everything is being watched. Everything is being watched. There is a they made the banks after spiritual barter and trade systems. Hey, we are the entity, ego. We are the self. We are the big building, Chase, capital One. You want to work with us. Cool. Thank you very much. Dirty ass hands. You just shook a dirty ass nigga hand. Thank you so much. Okay. I would like to start a checking account and I would like to start a savings account and I'm gonna put $50 in there. Okay, amazing, great, thank you. So you want to start today, right? Start today. Okay, boom. Jaden Banks, type of boom. Social security number, gotcha. Boom. Okay, birthday, date of birth. Okay, what type of car you have? Boom. Where you live, your address. Boom. Gotcha. Whole time you just shook this enemy's hand. You shook this nigga hand, and they are making. They don't even have the money in possession, but you are shaking the hands of somebody who is making 5 times the money on that $50 bill you gave them. All because of interest. The universe has a checks and balance system, a barter system, a trading system. I'm going to give Chico this game. I'm going to give Chico this love, not because I want him to really use it, but because I care. I love people. This is karma. I'm going to give that out my heart on the strength of love, on the strength of soul. That's why you from down south, Chico, so you probably heard this. Niggas down south, they'll say, yo, what up, soul? Yo, what up, soul, brother? You know what I mean? What up, soul, brother? They'll say that. Why? Because this is from the strength. This is from the love. Now, when you give from that place, this increases your karmic succession. And Deshaun, look it up. You ask me, is it a word? Look it up. If you don't think it's a word, look it up. Look up succession and recession. What is success, oh dog? What is recess? Okay, boom, look it up. So, one of the main things that I have engulfed in increasing my karma is increasing my wisdom, increasing my knowledge, and increasing my execution. And you being magnetic, right? You being magnetic, it is very it's very difficult for people to just give without knowing where it's going. That's why I tell you sometimes, bro, some of y'all will not be able to hang out with me. And maybe that's like for an hour, 30 minutes, like going to the store. Some of y'all will not be able to hang out with me. Why? Because my magnetism is very strong. I'm not, shitting on nobody, but my magnetism when it comes to people, like, it's a blessing to curse, but the way that we make people feel, the way that we make women feel, the way that we make women think and like be around us and just feel comfortable, and it's a blessing to curse, but what side of the coin are you looking on? You feel me? Which side of the coin are you paying attention more to? So I started increasing my karma even more consciously, Jacob, whenever I started feeding my soul more. I started paying attention to intention. God dang. I started paying attention consciously, not subconsciously, because I was feeding myself wrong, negative, subconscious messages, which we've all gotten. That's easy. Here, fuck that bitch, jerk it, work it, twerk it, pop it, pill it, spill it, deal it, will it. That's easy. It's easy. That's easy. Now, what's not very easy, but it is the way to elevate your karmic succession when it comes to money, when it comes to jobs, when it comes to people, when it comes to opportunities, when it comes to invitations, like the shit you get invited to. Once you elevate your karmic succession, oh my God, I love this life. What they say on TikTok? I think I like this little life. I think I like this little life. This little life. Yeah! You fucking right. Because listen, we strongly hate not having shit to do, don't we? We strongly demise not having nothing to do. This is boring. We doing what we do in the day and we coming home just to whack one out, just to play the game, and these games suck, and we not talking about nothing. It's the worst. So we already know what the worst is. Every time you jack it, every time you whack one off, you feel even worse than you began. Yet you still run back to it. But the hourglass tilted over. I know what the worst is. I'm comfortable with the worst. Let me get comfortable with the best. Let me get comfortable with the best of the best. That's why I was one of the best in my class. I was in 5th grade playing against 10th graders. When I was in the 5th grade, I was playing on a 7th, 8th grade team. AU, Texas, Atlanta, Florida, North Carolina, South Carolina. I'm going upstate New York. I'm going to these camps, Duke camp. I'm whooping all their ass. Why? Because I played in them areas when it was not comfortable for me. I played in them areas. I went through them waters. Even when I'm not used to this, but I'm about to get used to it. Nigga, I'm about to get used to it. Motherfucker. And this is karma. It's so important, y'all. And guess what? And I know it sounds crazy, but you have to be crazy in order to be sane. You have to be crazy in order to be sane. I'm just going to take my wallet out. Hold that. This is my last dollar bill in here. I don't carry cash, but this is my last dollar bill in here. I see somebody on the corner. Psh, there you go. Yep. Have a phenomenal day. Off the strength. Off the strength, bro. Because from this, from this idea, from this execution, from this action, from your subconscious, you are abundant. You are great. You don't have to move. I say this, talking about trauma. You are the vortex. You are in the middle. Why are you stepping out of the zone to get Call of Duty? Why are you stepping out into the... Y'all get it. Y'all get it. To get what exactly? What's over there that you don't already have or you can't get? You going into the storm. Why? You got no gas mask, no protection. Why? I know where I'm gonna go. I'm going to that buy station. I'm gonna get me $10. I'm gonna put six in my play fund. I'm gonna put $6 in my play fund, and I'm gonna have $4 to just give out to people in the city. Do you know what that does for my life? Do you know what that does for your life? Do you know what that does for abundance? For your karma? Because yes, I'm not even gonna say that, but we're not, whatever picture that people perceive, we're not that. But if that's what we shoot for, oh my goodness, we are moving in some great direction, people. The GPS said we was gonna get there in 2 hours. We haven't sped. We're not getting pulled over. We still got enough gas. We may get there. We may get there in 1 hour and 30 minutes. You may get there in 1 hour 30. Hello. Never assume, because you will only make an ass out of you and me. And you and me is you. It's yourself. So you projecting your downfalls onto me, please. 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 Please, bro. Stop. So this is what we do, bro. This is what we do. You are the vortex. When it comes to goal setting, healing trauma, karma, you are the vortex. I am going to create a garden that is going to bring all the animals, bring all the bees with the beehive that I made. I'm going to bring all of that to my garden. I'm not going to go out and chase the fucking butterflies because they don't fucking like me. And really and truthfully, I'm only getting these butterflies to flex on the bitches. Imagine that. You don't realize the true beauty and the natural sign of butterflies. How they transform from a cocoon to a to a to a Why would I chase? That's like chasing air. I got an empty gallon. I'm going outside because the world is ending. I'm going outside to see if I can fit air. I'm gonna just go around and I'm gonna fit air into this gallon and put the lid on top. You stupid. Are you stupid? That's rhetorical. Are you stupid? Are you dumb? Put the gallon down and breathe. What is that you feel? So why are you chasing it to put it in a gallon? To save it for later. You had it now. You have it now. You have it right now, bro. And it never went anywhere. That's one of the main things that would fuck my head up, bro. I'm looking for. I gotta get here. I can't wait till I got da-da-da. I can't wait. Oh, I can't. When I get this, I'm gonna do this. Da-da-da-da. Man, that shit gets spent faster. The time, the resources, the money, the energy, that shit gets spent faster than I had it. I had the resource, the time, the energy, the money, the wherewithal, the knowledge. I had all of that for 5 minutes. I spent all the money in 3. Because you didn't take the time to set them goals. You didn't take the time to heal that trauma. Now you have no time. Now you are living a regret-filled life. Pick your poison. Because they're going to critique and criticize you regardless of what choice you make. Love yourself. Love yourself because your legacy, your life depends on it. Your legacy and your life depends on it. How you goal set and how you get mad at seeing these 30, 40 goals sitting on your desk, sitting on your mirror, sitting on your wall. And it's the middle of the month and you've only gotten 2 done. You should be and that's what you need. You need that mirror gun shooting at you. You need that. You need that reflective shotgun pointing at your head every day. Get a move on it. There is no tomorrow. There is none. There is none, bro. There's zero. You don't have that. And once you realize you don't have that, that's like going to the mall and wanting to put wanting to get a gumball from the gumball machine. I don't have a quarter. So what can I use to get that right now? You want it real bad, right? What can I use right now? There are probably 1,200 people in this mall. I can ask one person for one quarter. And I'm sure, I know, by my karma, by who I am, how I talk, how I come off, my tone, all of that, with who I am, I'm going to get at least a quarter. Ain't that some shit? Ain't that some shit? And this right here is God's work, people. This right here is the source's work. And it's not sorcery. It's the source's work, man. This is God's work. So y'all made this vibe stand up. Y'all may want to go back through this vibe and deep dissect this one. I don't know if this is going up anywhere. I don't know what I'm doing with this, but I said to myself today, no music, no nothing. Value, admiration, love, but make it intentional, make it purposeful. Because like I said, we have gems throughout the streams. We'll be reacting at the beginning of the stream. We'll be talking, gaming. Yeah, Jake. Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. Let's get some W's in the chat, man. That's it. That's it, man. Amen. Yeah. Because this life shit funny, man. This life shit funny, y'all. It really is. But I love what I do, bro. Because the things that you do now is going to set you up for who you are later. And remember, it's not about who you are or what you have whenever it is later. You got it now. You got it now, bro. And it's not about me convincing. See, thank you, Jacob. Yes, bro. Yes. Jacob, yeah. Jacob, you tapped in. Jacob, you tapped in. Jacob, you tapped in. You tapped in. Y'all tapped in, bro. And it's not about convincing. I'm not convincing y'all. I am telling y'all the thing that y'all know that is within your heart, that is within your spirit, that you already know. I'm just breaking it down psychologically. Because this thing up here, this psyche, bro, ooh,